Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, get ready because today we're pulling off what I can only describe as a brilliant technological heist. Seriously, we're going to look exactly at how free AI gateways work to unlock premium AI coding assistance completely for free. If you've been literally dying to use advanced tools but keep hitting a giant paywall, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get right into it. Because, look, we all know the absolute ultimate pain point of modern development, right? You're in the zone, your code is compiling perfectly, the AI is helping you crush bugs left and right, and then, bam, you hit the limit. Premium models like Claude and Codex, yeah, they're incredibly powerful, but they are ridiculously expensive to run continuously. And those so-called generous free trial credits, man, they just vanish way too fast when you're actually getting real work done. Okay, let's dive into this. There's a fundamental difference between the standard way of doing things and the method we're exploring today. When you connect your coding environment directly to just a single API, your workflow is, well, it's fragile. The second your credits hit zero, the API fails and your workflow stops dead in its tracks. But when you use a smart gateway, you create an invincible setup. Instead of just one single connection, the gateway sits right in the middle. If one provider runs out of free credits, the gateway automatically and totally silently auto-switches to the very next free provider in line. You don't have to lift a single finger. So here's our blueprint for today. We'll start with the free AI gateway secret, then we'll cover installing the core tools, connecting those free AI providers, building the smart combo, linking your coding tools, and finally, we'll wrap up with the auto harness bonus.
All right, starting with section 1, the free AI gateway secret.
The core technology making all of this possible is called nodejs. Think of nodejs as a highly intelligent traffic controller running locally, right there on your own machine. Its entire job is to understand exactly how free AI gateways work. It manages your connections to the outside world, looks at your list of AI providers, handles priority routing based on the rules you set, and creates automatic fallbacks. So if provider A says, hey, you're out of quota, nodejs catches that error locally and instantly sends the exact same prompt over to provider B. Your coding app never even knows a switch happened. It's practically magic. Moving right along to section 2, installing the core tools. Before we build the gateway, we need to lay down a really solid foundation. To get nodejs running locally, you just need some basic prerequisites on your system. We're talking Node.js, Git, Python, and a code editor like vscode. Once those are on your system path, you simply clone the nodejs installation directly from its GitHub repository and run it. Oh, and you'll obviously need your target AI ID installed, whether that's the Claude desktop app, Codex CLI, or Antigravity. Really, just your basic standard dev tools to set the stage. Now for the fun part, section 3, connecting free AI providers. And this brilliantly illustrates the incredible arsenal of top-tier models we can access for absolutely zero cost. Seriously, look at this. By adding connections in nodejs, we can tap into Caro AI for the Claude Sonnet 4.5 thinking model. That gets us 50 credits per account. We can hook up Gemini CLI to grab Gemini 2.5 Pro's super generous free tier. We can connect a custom provider called Free Models to get GPT 5.5, which gives you a recurring $5 credit every 5-hour window. And we can link AeroLink for Claude Opus 4.8, utilizing a massive $140 free trial. I mean, it's a staggering amount of computing power when you put it all together. But wait, here's where the source material reveals a truly clever trick. To multiply those 50 free Caro AI credits, you can actually stack multiple accounts. The why behind this is pretty simple. Caro AI authenticates using AWS Builder IDs. So if you just go in and clear your AWS cookies in your browser's privacy settings, the system treats you like a brand new user. You can then add a completely different Google account, grab another AWS Builder ID, and boom, 50 fresh credits injected right into your nodejs. You can literally stack as many email accounts as you have. It's a real game changer. Which brings us to section 4, building the smart combo. Okay, before we build the combo, listen up, because there is a strict requirement here that you absolutely cannot ignore. When you create this combo in nodejs, you must name it exactly, and I mean exactly, Claude Opus Free. If you name it anything else, the Claude desktop app is going to reject the connection, thinking it's an invalid or unsupported model name. It has to match perfectly to trick the local client. Don't say I didn't warn you. So the crucial point here is how we order this smart combo. Think of it like an unstoppable relay race. This is your priority list. Step 1 is our highest tier, AeroLink's Claude Opus 4.8. When you ask your IDE to code something, nodejs hits AeroLink first. Now, if Airlink's trial window is exhausted, the gateway seamlessly passes the baton to Step 2, Curo AI's Claude Sonnet 4.5. It'll just quietly cycle through all those stacked Curo accounts you set up. If those somehow run dry, it falls back to Step 3, free models with GPT 5.5. And if all else fails, it hits Step 4, Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's an automated, completely self-healing pipeline. You just keep coding, and the gateway handles all the complex logistics of finding a free API key to answer your prompt.
All right, Section 5, linking your coding tools.
Because 9router is running locally, it provides you with a local base URL and a fake API key. You just inject these right into your tools. Whether you're pointing the Claude desktop app's custom inference settings directly to your local URL, or maybe you're mapping your codex and points to the router, the principle is exactly the same. Whichever tool you prefer to use, 9router seamlessly acts as the middleman and routes the traffic perfectly. Easy, right?
And finally, Section 6, the auto harness bonus.
I promised you a bonus, and this is a completely surprising trick to make this whole system even more powerful. There's this plugin called Auto Harness. It's just a quick 30-second GitHub install that runs right on top of Claude Code, and it acts as a self-learning skill layer. As you work, it silently monitors your sessions in the background. If it notices you doing repetitive tasks, it turns them into reusable, automated skills completely on its own. The absolute beauty here is that you never have to re-explain complex prompts or workflows to the AI. It learns your unique style, powered entirely by that massive stream of free compute we just set up.
And that brings us to the end of our setup. By really diving into how free AI gateways work, you've essentially built a supercomputer routing system right on your desktop. You've stacked free trials, configured an automated fallback relay race, and tied the whole shebang into a self-learning IDA plugin. It is literally the ultimate coding hack. The only question left is, with an uninterrupted, practically unlimited stream of premium AI right at your fingertips, what are you going to build first? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy coding!